Used instruments can be collected before reprocessing in a disinfection bath without agents or in the MELAtherm 10 evolution baskets. Dry storage, however, should not exceed 6 hours. Preparing instruments with organic residue improves the cleaning outcome. Use solely non-protein fixing agents for the preparation. Rinse the instruments thoroughly before inserting them in the MELAtherm 10 evolution in order to prevent foam generation in the washer-disinfector. We recommend the manual pre-cleaning of water-insoluble treatment substances such as dental cement, alginate, or lubricant directly after treatment. Do not use brass wire brushes. They could damage the instrument surface. Please familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's specifications of your instruments. Only instruments with manufacturer approval for automatic cleaning and disinfection can be reprocessed in a washer-disinfector. The manufacturer's specifications contain further important information regarding the correct instrument decontamination.